Hi guys, welcome to Starting Faceless YouTube channel with AI course. Here in this course, you'll learn how to build Faceless YouTube channel from scratch using AI tools which have the capability of converting text to image, text to audio, and even text to video. Therefore, by doing so, not only that you will not be required to show your face in front of camera, but also you will spend way less effort when it comes to editing your video. In addition, this course will guide you step by step, starting from conducting market analysis on picking high demand niche, choosing your target audience, all the way to creating real content videos using combinations of AI tools. As most people believe, the most effective way to learn is actually to learn by doing. Hence, that's what you're going to get here, since this course also comes with two projects where for the first project you will be guided on how to generate content script using ChatGPT, then convert it to audio and generate image from text using AI image generators like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion. Eventually, combine them together and create a video. Meanwhile, for the second project, you will learn how to use text-to-video AI tools where all you need to do is to write some content outlines and AI will automatically generate the video for you. Besides those technical perspectives, you'll also learn important things that need to be mastered by a successful content creator, such as how to design interesting thumbnails, grow your audience, and monetize your YouTube channel, or even potentially turn this to your full-time business. First of all, before getting to the course, let's talk about the reason behind starting a faceless YouTube channel. Why do you want to create a faceless YouTube channel? Well, there are lots of people out there who have ambitions to be content creator, especially YouTubers. However, some of them are not really confident in front of camera, or perhaps they want to keep their identity secret due to privacy reasons. Unfortunately, most of those people do not realize the fact that there are countless ideas for faceless YouTube channels which will not require you to show your face. And even much better, nowadays AI can make everything easier, from lowering your production costs to accelerating your video editing process, since almost everything can be automated. In conclusion, this course will train you on how to take full advantage of available technologies out there and combine them with brilliant ideas to create high value content for your audience. We've gone this far, but I haven't introduced myself yet. Hi guys, my name is Chris and I've been creating more than 20 courses on Udemy. Previously, I worked as an IT consultant for the last couple of years before deciding to resign from my job and start running several online businesses like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products, including selling online courses on Udemy. Regarding YouTube, I have two YouTube channels where one I use to promote my digital products business, including Udemy course, and another one is Call of Duty mobile gaming channel. Last but not least, I think it's important for you to know my intention behind creating this course. Well, it's pretty simple actually. I would like to inspire, motivate, and guide people who have been thinking about starting their YouTube channel but not comfortable showing their face in front of camera. So yeah, guys, that was brief introductions about myself. Um, Welcome to the course once again, and I'm looking forward to learn with you. So I'll see you in the next video.